In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate the canvas in Adobe Photoshop and quickly reset it back to its original position. This is a really helpful feature, especially if you're drawing, painting, or working on detailed edits and want to approach part of your image from a more comfortable angle. The great thing about this tool is that it only changes how you view the canvas on screen. It does not rotate the actual image itself, so your artwork stays exactly as it is. To make the effect easy to see, begin by creating a simple arrow or another basic shape on your canvas. This will act as a clear visual reference, so when you rotate the view, it's obvious what's happening. Using a simple shape makes it much easier to understand the difference between rotating the view and rotating the image. Once you have that reference on your canvas, go over to the toolbar and select the Rotate View tool. This tool is grouped together with the Hand tool, so if you only see the Hand tool, just right-click on it to open the flyout menu, then choose Rotate View tool. If you've never used it before, this is where you'll find it. With the Rotate View tool selected, click and drag anywhere on the canvas. As you drag, Photoshop will let you freely rotate your view in any direction. This is especially useful when you want to make brush strokes, line work, or retouching movements feel more natural from your hand's perspective. Again, remember that you're only changing the viewing angle, not the actual orientation of the file. If you want more controlled movement, hold Shift while dragging. This constrains the rotation so the canvas moves in 15-degree increments, which can be very useful when you want a cleaner, more precise angle without trying to line it up by eye. You can also type in a specific rotation angle directly in the options bar if you need an exact value. That's a good option when precision matters, and you want the view set to a consistent angle. When you're done, returning everything back to normal is very easy. Just click the Reset View button in the options bar, and Photoshop will instantly bring the canvas back to its original orientation. That's all there is to it. Rotating the canvas is a simple but powerful way to make drawing, editing, and retouching more comfortable while keeping your image completely unchanged. Once you start using it, it can become a very natural part of your workflow.